Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at Apex 2018 and I'm joined by Mike Jones from MicroCare. Mike, always a pleasure to see you.
Good to see you again, sir.
Lots of exciting stuff happening with MicroCare. New factory, lots of new people. Tell me a bit about the growth strategy.
MicroCare is having a terrific year and we're very pleased with that. But it's all about the customers. And everything we do is to try to save our customers money with better cleaning, faster cleaning, and so on. Which has resulted in we've had to add a new factory next to our old factory in New Britain, Connecticut, and we've added a factory over near Manchester in the UK to serve our customers in the UK. And that's in addition to the 100,000 square foot warehouse we built last year. So the growth is exciting and it's fun. There's no parking spaces left. Okay. We have filled the entire parking lot up at all 3 locations with new employees.
Okay, and what about the engineering and the R&D team? That continues to grow, I guess, because you're always bringing out new products.
We are bringing out new products, and I believe we're introducing 9 or 10 right here at this show today. So that's a big investment. Some of them are just new packaging, trying to help people save money with more efficient packaging, more environmentally, thoughtful. And some of them are new products that actually do new types of cleaning, which again help customers save money. Yeah. So it's just an exciting time at MicroCare, and it lights our rocket to be here.
Yeah, and as you say, you're very customer driven. What is it that's really challenging the customers in terms of cleaning? You've always done keep the cleaning simple, much of the same, save money on it, but what are the newer challenges?
The newest challenge, and it's not new like yesterday, but the trend that we see is the whole environmental story. People worry about regulations and they worry about costs. Yes, that's all true. But people more and more, even in China, even in Malaysia, are saying, hey, I want to be green. And we have the answers that people are looking for. In fact, we have chemicals in our factory today that they're not even telling us the name, because we don't actually make any chemicals. We blend them and refine them and package them. And we've got stuff that's in our lab today. They won't even tell us what the name is, but they want to see if it'll clean, because they know in 4 or 5 years, those will be the answers the market's looking for.
Yeah. So you're out there, you're developing the technology roadmap for cleaning further down the line.
That's a great way to phrase it. Yeah. What people will be looking for in 5 or 8 or 10 years is in our lab today.
That's what I like to see, solving problems they don't know they have yet.
Yeah.
Mike, great to see you. Thanks for stopping by.
So wonderful to see you. Take care.